Introducing the AIFEN A902, a high-performance dual soldering station built for professionals who demand precision, power, and versatility in every repair. With a robust 350-watt output, this advanced station supports a wide range of soldering handles and heating elements including C115, C210, C245, and even the powerful C470. Whether you're working on small phone components or large solder joints, the A902 gives you the flexibility to do it all. Its dual-handle design allows two users to work simultaneously or lets one technician switch between tips quickly. Each handle can be controlled independently, and the adjustable dual bracket tilts up to 45 degrees, ensuring comfort and accessibility during extended sessions. Unlike traditional systems, the A902 uses intelligent chip-based temperature control, delivering rapid heat-up and precise temperature stability. You'll reach operating temps between 100 and 450 degrees Celsius, or 212 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, in seconds. The auto-sleep function conserves energy and extends tip life. Just place the handle back on the stand, and it cools instantly. Pick it up again, and it heats right back up. No buttons, no delay. Need to keep your heat just right? The temperature compensation system adjusts in real time to keep your soldering consistent, while built-in short-circuit protection safeguards your device from electrical faults. Customize your workflow with 6 programmable standby temperatures, a user-friendly calibration system, and switchable Celsius/Fahrenheit display. It even includes key lock, a buzzer for alerts, and a 3-stage tip cleaning system with high-temp cotton, copper brush, and wire ball. At just 30 by 24 by 20 centimeters, the A902 fits perfectly in any workshop. Whether you're fixing phone motherboards, working in a repair shop, or perfecting your DIY electronics at home, the AIFEN A902 is the tool that keeps up with your skills. Precision, power, professional-grade performance. That's the AIFEN A902.